how to interview someone for a job and get top tier results every time. Number 1, plan ahead. Create bullet points that describe the position's high priority responsibilities. Search out others who hold similar titles and get the nitty-gritty details of what type of character it takes to be a top class performer at the specific job. Dissect all the resumes and applications to get the most targeted information about who is applying for the position, and prep all the questions and create an overall interview so you have a standard guide to refer back to and memorize that standard. Number 2, pave the path. Sell the company to the possible employee. Discreetly drop hints at some of the company's best attributes. Make it seem as if your company holds all the power plays. Smooth over some of the lesser qualities of the company with subtle personal insider info that they will seem to value as high. Number 3, point out all the priorities. Decision-making authority, priorities like fiscal responsibilities that they'll hold, performance accountability, make sure they know all those things. The possible ceiling, like where they can go in the job, the recourse, and of course their daily needs to knows. Number 4, personality traits. The person's style, something you need to learn, their personality, values, motives, and most importantly, the person's temperament, which can be very difficult, but you need to learn how to learn subtle cues from people's movements and how they react. Number 5, the poise process. Each and every interviewee is posed the same questions. Each and every interviewee is scored under the same guidelines of an unbiased rating system, and each and every person must be given a fair and equal chance. Use the link in the description to read the full article, and don't forget to like and subscribe.